no mlosiwe wanibadala itala kulira wanje bane no mlosiwe wanibadala Guys, I have just arrived. Guess what? Look at this. I have been seriously rained on. Oh God, it's raining so heavily. I can't wait to take a shower. So sad that I have to remove this makeup. So sad, but I'm grateful. I've had a good time at my friend's place. Yeah, and I'm just excited for her. I'm proud of her. You know, like the steps she's making, everything. I hope you guys support her. You know, yeah, we support our friends. We pray for them. We treat them well. You know what I mean? So I'm just grateful. I'm happy. I thank God. Like Vivian for doing my makeup. Sydney, Olympia for making me happy. Mercy, I don't even know how else to thank you, but I'm so grateful for you guys. May the good Lord bless you. Let me just take a shower, and I think I'm gonna just dive into my bed. I haven't had anything, but yeah, we have to sleep. We seriously have to sleep because we've had a busy day. We just have to sleep, you know, you guys. So good night. Wadau. Yes, wadau. So our friend is getting married. So we are just in the final arrangements of her wedding. And semeni kupotea direction. We are just here. She's the one making phone calls, inquiring for directions. And we are very late. But yes, hii place inakaa vizuri. Like kuko bado tuko Nakuru. Like Nakuru hata ikai Nakuru. So uliona ule mtu mwenye anachekanga hivyo? Ananifinyanga. I know. Guys, aki for sure tumwambiwa twende. So tunaenda tu. Na acha jamhuri geti kwapi. Hey. So guys, we just arrived and our host has told us to wait. So we are here waiting patiently. Yeah. Like, have you ever been new to a place? And then everyone looks at you and anajua tu hawa ni watu wani. Clearly. But yeah, that's it for the day. We will show you how the day goes, and our wedding girl. There is Chitech. So finally, a friend by the name Chitechi has popped up. So so people, I've just arrived. This one needs to go the dustbin. Semeni kunyeshewa. I've been rained on like no man's business. So I've just arrived from my clinicals. It's Friday and I just need to take a quick shower dress up, and then leave. I'm leaving to go to Mercy's place at this, okay, not really this moment, because we have a worship experience going on at this time, so I just want to attend, and then after there we are gonna leave together to her place. I'm so excited for her. She's shooting her first video, her first music video, and tomorrow is the shoot day. I'm just, you know, like, I'm just happy for her, you know what I mean? So, and meanwhile, as my water boils, my friend, other friend of mine is coming over. She's requested me to do her eyebrows. You guys, I'm not even a pro, but she's just requested me to do her eyebrows. Look at my hair. So I just have I have this Abuja braids over here. I just want to make an extension for this dress, for these dreads, because it's my friend's big day. Like, I'm super proud of her. I'm so happy for her. It feels like it's her wedding, you know what I mean? So I don't want to get late. Let me just quick take a shower. I'm so uneasy because I'm so late. Like, the bus didn't come, the school bus didn't come for us on time. I don't live outside school. I just reside inside the school hostel, so it's just a menace out here. It's a mess. So take a shower, do my hair. I want to try doing the extension for me. I'm not so sure how it will look like. I tried the other day, but with big dreads, so I'm not so sure how it will turn out with this because of these dreads over here, but it's okay. Let's try this out. Bye. Hey, so guys, I'm just done. I've fixed my extension. I know, like, it's not that perfect, but at least for the day, you know, guys, like, wow, I'm telling you, I haven't retouched my dreads for like two months, and then I'm having a huge growth, and then it's my friend's big day. Like, I've just tried to look smart. I hope I'm looking smart. So it's around 6:50. In case it's blurry, don't mind. I've done my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, and the theme for the worship experience it's put a praise on it. Put a praise on it. I'm not so sure if you guys are seeing. And then, yeah, this is my outfit for the day, all black. I have this bag over here. I just want to put my jumper on, and then we can go. Feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. We are done with the service, and I'm waiting for my group to end home. So here's Olympia. Sidna is here. Yeah, the video. So man, guys, we are just about to leave. Tunaenda ile safari yetu, ile harusi South Africa. Yeah, ile harusi ya our one and only. She's just around the corner. She's coming. Anashuka kwa Isol. Isol. Ni Ain. Inaitwa Isol. Mimi udanitoa kwa TV. Feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Feels when I'm with you. You got me doing. Hi guys, so how was it?
It was awesome.
It was fun. We are so happy. So tumeachilia msichana wetu. I hope wamtunze. I hope wamtunze. We will miss you, man. Yeah. So imeisha hivyo. It's a wrap, guys. We are grateful. Thank you so much, Mercy Juma. We appreciate
unaonekana ni vile ni hapa.
Subscribe, like, comment, share. Bye. Invite us to your wedding. We form marriages with our prettiness. We eat cakes. We don't leave
We
food.
eat kamande.
Tunaosha vyombo.
We eat kamande.
But hatuwezi nini. Please follow our Instagram handles as displayed on this video, and we will appreciate. Thank you so much for watching till the end. God bless you and have it major. Normalize checking my description bar for more details, especially on Mercy's new song, A Little More. Thank you guys. Bye.